Good morning students. Yesterday we have started a new chapter using Python libraries and we discussed about modules. Module is a file containing Python definition function, variables, classes and statements with an extension .py. Python package is a directory of Python module. A library is a collection of various packages. Package is a collection of modules and library is a collection of various packages. Conceptually there is no difference between a library and a package. Library is used to loosely describe a collection of core or main modules. Now, components of a Python program. A module is a file that contains Python code. So we can say that module is a file which can contain a Python code, and the various components of a Python program are library or package, modules or functions and submodules. So these are the components of a Python program. Now, advantages of a module. Mostly there are four advantages of modules. First is reusability, second is clarity, third is classification or grouping of code, and fourth is easy to understand. A Python code into a module is useful because of its ability to reuse. Reuse means you can use this or use this module in your program by using a import keyword. So you can reuse the code which you have written before, and it is very easy. You have divided the modules into functions, so it can be clarified easy. There will be a clarity. Now, classification or grouping of code, we have grouped the related code into a module. Now, fourth is easy to understand. When we have divided the modules into groups which are performing related tasks, and we clearly describe everything by using a doc strings in it, then it becomes very easy to understand. Now, importing modules. You can import modules in three ways. First is by using an import statement, by using a from statement, and by using a from asterisk statement. Now, today we learn how to use import statement in a program. Import statement is used to include the modules in other programs, and the syntax is import file name. For example, we are importing math module, then we write import math. If you want to import more than one module in your program, you can write the names of those modules and separate them by comma, and the syntax is import file name, comma, file name 2, file name 3, and so on. For example, we have written import math, comma, OS. Here we are importing two modules, math and OS modules. So in this way we can import multiple modules in a program. In our next class we will discuss about imports from statement and from asterisk statement. Thank you.